Tonight, we're gonna draw, you know him, you love him, the almighty Iron Man. Otherwise known as Tony Stark. Iron Man, basically one of my favorite Marvel fighters. Also, basically, he has an arsenal of battle forms, otherwise known as the Hall of Armor. And trust me, I have a supreme love for the Hall of Armor ever since Iron Man 2 got released. And trust me, watching the second Iron Man movie was better. I love it. That was when he joined forces with his pal, War Machine. And during that series, Iron Man has been a seriously popular fighter. Alright, here's the arc light on his chest. He even has his own Bakugan. I have no idea how they decided to add Bakugan versus Marvel. But I'm surprised they decided to add that to the series. Now let's get started, shall we? Iron Man has a lot of my favorite armors. The Mark 1, the Mark 2, the Mark 3, Mark 4, Mark 5, Mark 6. Basically, later on, it continued all the way straight to that movie on Avengers Age of Ultron. Last but not least, here's the shoulder pad. And finished! That is how you draw Iron Man! Anyway, I'm proud to see it, Tony Stark again, drawn up, and I promise there's going to be more like this on the way. Man, Iron Man is never going to stop evolving. I'm proud to see his next creation, his next armor. Anything is possible. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and check out Which Marvel fighter you want me to draw next? Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.